Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix rotation lock icon is missing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit and click on OK to continue the moment you have typed it. Okay, you receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes. Simply go with yes so that you would be able to run this registry editor. Now here you need to follow this path or you can simply copy this path link at the description box below. So copy it and paste it here at the address bar. Control V to paste and click on enter. Wait until you are being redirected to the auto rotation, where here we need to create a new DWORD 32-bit value. How we can do such? Please do a right click, okay? Or you can simply go with the center of the screen, do a right click, go with new, and choose on DWORD 32-bit value, where here you need to rename it into sensor present. Okay, so let's rename that. Do a right click, go with rename, and control V. Let me just control Z. Sensor present. Once done, click on enter. And we need to change the value data into 1. Double tapped and change the value data into 1. Click on OK. And once you are done, close all of these paths. You can also close directly so that you can proceed. Okay. So check if your sensor is now there. So at the bottom search bar here, at the bottom search bar, type for settings. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best matched. Click on open to continue. Here at the settings, please proceed with system. Tap on it. Okay, and go with display. And here you need to scroll down. Okay, and look for the sensor. Okay, if not, please restart your computer and it will be there. Okay, so that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.